Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am filming this on April 8th, but I know that the Sephora VIB sale is right around the corner, so I have a lot of things on my list and I wanted to be able to share them with you guys today. So I'm filming this. I don't know the dates yet. I don't know what the percentages are going to be off, depending on what level you're at with their VIB stuff, like Beauty Insider, VIB, and VIB Rouge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, when I edit this, put all that information down here at the bottom of the screen, so you'll have that information. When I say I have a lot on my list, 50 items. Not 50 items I'm getting. Some are ones I'm going to get. I'm doing some restocking on a few items, and then my recommendations to you. So I'm kind of breaking this down into 3 different sections. So let's start with the things I'm planning on getting for this sale. A couple of these might be hit and miss because they're out of stock currently, and I've signed up to get an email notification when they do come back in stock, so hopefully I can get them. Alright, the first one I'm going to get is the Winky Luxe Whipped Cream Primer. Now, you guys know I love my Tarte Clean Slate Primer. I think this is just wonderful, but this one is a whipped one, and I wanted to see what it was like compared to the Tarte. It's normally $20, and again, I'll have all the prices down below as to what it would be with your discount off of that too. The next one I'm going to get is another primer. I actually got the sample or the mini size, so it's available in both the mini size and then the full size. So this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This came recommended to me by somebody at Sephora, and I took them up on it. I just got the little small size, and I like it so much I'm going to get the big one. The big one is $30 and the mini size is $15 for that. Now, you guys also know I have totally fallen in love with, sorry, I should have had this out, the Urban Decay Brow Blade, but I just feel this one's a little too dark for me, so I'm going to pick up the shade Taupe Trap in this. This is $26. You get, let's do this right, one end is the actual pencil itself, and the other end has a very, very fine tip pen, so you can just go in and draw those little lines in on your brows. Now I have to do this side so they even out. Doesn't have a spoolie on it though. That's the only downfall. Everybody complains about it, but for now they don't have one on there. So I'm going to be getting another one of these. By the way, you should be noticing there's pictures of these items either here or over here, wherever I have room on the screen. Somewhere I'm going to be putting the pictures of what I'm talking about, unless I physically have the item. Okay, next one is from Kat Von D, and it's her Lolita eyeshadow palette. I just love the shades in this, and I think it's going to be so good. Crossing my fingers on that. That one retails for $39. And sticking on the eyeshadows, I'm going to do quite a few of them here. The next one is Sephora brand. It's their Vivid Earth Eye Palette. And this one comes in 2 different shades, but I'm planning on getting the Canyon Grand, so they flip-flop that one. And that's only $16, so I think that's a great deal just there. Also, Too Faced has their Natural Lust palette out. Now, I absolutely love my Natural Love one that they had. So this one is like flocked, it's fuzzy on the cover of it, and the shades are just beautiful. So this is the natural one, but they are coming, or have out now, I'm sorry, they're Natural Lust. This is Natural Love. So apparently there's a big difference between love and lust. Anyway, I love this one. So, and that one is running $59. Now the next one is one that's been out of stock, so crossing my fingers I can get it. It's the Viseart Petite Pro 4 Apricotine. Weird name, very weird name. And that one's $30. And then I'm going to move into some foundations. I'm picking up 2 foundations. First one is the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. Whew, that's a long one. That one retails for $48. And also I'm going to get the Stellar Limitless Foundation, which is $38. And then the last thing I'm picking up that's new is the Fenty Bomb Baby Mini Lip and Face Set. I take that back. I have tried the Fenty Foundation, but that's the only thing I've ever tried from the brand. So I thought this would be a great way to try some of the products, just to get this little gift set. And that's only $23. So decided to give that one a try. So again, those are the items I'm planning on getting. Now let's move on to the items I'm going to restock. Now surprisingly, there's only 3 items I need to restock on. Apparently I kind of bought a lot of extra things for the last sale, so I'm still doing pretty good on everything. First one I'm going to get is more of the Jack Black Intense Lip Balm. This comes in, I think, like 5 different flavors is what I'll call them, but this is the natural mint, which is what they consider the original one. This also has an SPF of 25, and I love this. I just love the way, let me wipe off the applicator here. So the applicator is just nice and neat. You squeeze it out, get all the buzz. So it just squeezes out the hole there, and you put it on your lips. I'm not sticking my fingers in any jars. I'm not having to use any little mini spatulas. And something that's easy just to throw in the purse. I have several of these throughout the house, so no matter where I am, I can keep something on my lips and keep them moist. So I'm probably going to pick up at least 2 of these. And these are $8 each. Now, the other item I'm going to restock is the Benefit Boi-ing Brightening Concealer. This is in color number 1, which is the peach shade. I picked up, it would have been not last year, but the year before, in their fall VIB sale. They had this cute little pencil kit, and it had like 5 different sample sizes of Benefit products. And this is one I got, and you can see I am like down to hardly anything. So this has lasted me well over a year just to get this little mini one. The full-size one is what I'm going to be getting this time, and that's $22. So this does come in a variety of colors. Again, I'm getting color number 1 because I need that peach shade to get rid of those dark under eye circles, or at least help with it. And now I'm down to my last tube of this, I guess you'd call it. But this is the Clinique Pep Start 2-in-1 Exfoliating Cleanser. I have raved about this in every one of my videos I've done about the sales. I have tried so many different exfoliating products, and this one for me just has the best granule makeup of it. So it's orange, so it works as a cleanser, and it also exfoliates. But it's just the perfect grain. It's not so chunky that it hurts, and it's not so fine that it doesn't do its job. But my skin just, I use this every morning when I wash my face, and it just does such a great job. I just love it. All right, now we're on to the items that I already own, I already love, and I use them all the time, and I think you would love them too. So this is the long list, but let's go through things really quickly. The first one I've already spoke about. This is the Tarte Clean Slate. It's their Timeless Smoothing Primer. I have 3 different jars of this. This one's getting pretty low, so I don't need to restock. But this stuff just gets, you just press it into your areas where you have pores and you want them just to like kind of disappear. So this works fabulously. The other 2 primers I'm going to talk about is, of course, the Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas one. Now, this is expensive. This is very expensive. Oh, by the way, sorry, this runs $39. This runs $52, but they now have a mini size one, which is only $20. So if you want to be able to own it and try it out, that's a great way to start, is to get those mini ones. But this is the one that I have, and I absolutely love it as well. And also, kind of my day-to-day one that I use probably the most is by Touch in Sol, and it's their No Pore Blem Primer. I can never say that right. This one is $18, so this one's very, very affordable. Kind of what I do is I will go in with my Tarte Clean Slate first, go into my areas where I have the pores, and then I'll take a couple pumps of this and put on the rest of my face, except for I've been really loving the milk as well. So either way, you can't go wrong. Now I have also tried out, I can't even tell you how many different concealers I've tried, because I have really, really, really bad dark under eye circles, and of course I have them kind of sunken in, so I always have that shadow there that just nothing's going to get rid of that. But I have found my favorite concealer of all time. This is the Huda Beauty, and this is the Overachiever concealer, and this kind of gets messy up the tube, but what it is you have a little squeeze thing just like the Jack Black, and you just simply squeeze that out, apply it under your eyes. This is steel. Let me clean it off real quick so you can see it. So what's nice about that is it's actually nice and cooling. So if you wake up in the morning and you got a little bit of puffiness going on, this is really nice just to take under there, because even right now that is just so cool. So this alone is just wonderful. Comes in a lot of great shades too. I personally have the color Cotton Candy, and this lasts a very long time. I already have a backup of it, and I haven't even come close to using maybe about half of this. And this runs $30. Now, the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I love this. I've been putting it into like my marionette lines and along here, kind of around my nose, those areas that can just kind of collect product. And also you can use it under your eyes just as well. I love it there too. This is a very, very thick formula, and I mean thick. Nothing's runny or anything about this one, and it just doesn't crease. So I love, 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 love this, and this runs $26. Again, I'll have all the information down below. Go back and look at things. I'll have links to all the products right down in the description box. So if you're interested in getting anything that I'm suggesting to you, you can just click on that and go. So I'll have the dates on there. I'll have what your code is if you're going to order it online. So again, depending on if you are just a beauty insider, if you're VIB or VIB Rouge, usually it goes like 10, 15, and 20%. Normally what they do, if you're VIB Rouge, you get 2 weekends to start buying. So you get 1 week before the other people do, and then you also get to use your code again the second time around. I'm excited for this. Don't forget to use your eBates, because you want to get cash back if you are buying this stuff online. In store, they're probably going to lower what the discount is. They usually do. Normally it's 4% cash back on Sephora, unless they have a double thing. But usually when they have the VIB sales, they drop it down to 3%. They do currently have the in-store cash back for Sephora through the end of April. You have to register your card with eBates, and you have to make sure that you select credit at checkout. Don't do debit, because you won't get your cash back on it. Okay, also for eBates, if you're not signed up with them, I'll leave a link. There's always a link down below in my description box for it. If you use my link, you'll get a $10 welcome bonus from them as well after you make your first qualifying purchase. So, great way to get extra money. I've earned over $1,100 with them so far, so I'm loving it. Alright guys, this has been a very long video. Thanks so much for hanging out. If you have any of these products, again, or are thinking of getting them, leave me some comments down below. I'd like to hear what you guys are planning to get for the sale. So again, if you are a regular viewer, welcome back. Thanks so much for checking in today. If you're new to my channel or just haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And as always, I love you all, and bye-bye.